Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Huntington Beach, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers are able to move your things across the country and can even handle international moves. We use some of the most common routes for long distance transport, and we can do door to door deliveries for your convenience. We guarantee fast delivery, safe delivery, and cheap moves. If you need to move to Huntington Beach or the surrounding area, choose our moving company in Huntington Beach, California for fast, reliable, and cheap services. We are able to handle your move from A to Z, including the disassembly of furniture, packing and unpacking, storing, and transportation. When contacting us, be sure to provide information on the volume of the cargo, the date of the move, and the type of items you need transported, the delivery starting and ending points, and what your budget would be, and we will calculate an accurate estimate for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Huntington Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.